from the Belding Library, and today for Art Club we are going to be learning how to make DIY marbled paper. So this was one of my first attempts and my other attempt. Really fun and super simple. All you need is some really cheap shaving cream, like a plate or a bowl, whatever you want to use, some food coloring, something to start with, and some paper. So first of all, you just take your shaving cream and you just fill your plate up. You don't have to do too much, but fill it up and it's all even. All right, so. Okay. So then you take your food coloring, and I am gonna go with red and yellow. I think it'd be some fun. You can water down your food coloring, or you can use watercolor paints, but I just did it the normal way, so I'm gonna stick with it this time. So, just drop it around, and then you get to make the pattern. It's really cool. It's kind of like a tie-dye thing. So whatever you like, you get to design it yourself. So then you take your stirring spoon and you just kind of make your design like so. And you don't want to stir it too much because it kind of ruins the whole effect. So then you take your paper, and I'm gonna fold it so it's kind of like a card that you can give to someone after you're complete, and you literally just plop it on there. Try and get all of the surfaces covered so your card will be complete. And then you pull it off, and it's gonna look like this. You probably should have pushed it down a little more. We're gonna go again actually. So push it a little bit harder. Maybe in the middle. Okay, there you go. Now you pull it off, it looks just like this, and you take some sort of cardboard, and you're going to just scrape it off, which may take a few tries. I also use the popsicle sticks, and that worked really well. And so all that shaving cream has to go. You can wipe it with a towel, which I will do to get all the rest of the shaving cream off. But just like that, you have your own card. Super simple and really fun. And you can open it and you can write whatever you want in there. I flattened mine for a while. It worked really well, which is why there's less crinkle. But yeah, just add more food color. You can keep going, make as many cards as you like, and it's a really great thing to do. So I hope you have fun and send me photos of what you did. Have a good day.